Frontline workers are often responsible for maintaining equipment in the factory and at customer sites, yet they often lack the tools they need to address maintenance issues quickly. Modern manufacturers are leveraging technology to anticipate issues, enhance field service, and facilitate troubleshooting. Let's look at how to use digital technology to identify maintenance issues before they impact production. Johnny, one of the maintenance technicians, receives a Teams notification sent from the shop floor management app indicating a key piece of production equipment needs maintenance. Using his mobile device, Johnny can locate the piece of equipment and view real-time performance data from the machine with Power BI. Based on the performance data, Johnny determines that the machine can run safely for another 36 hours before malfunctioning. Using his mobile Teams app, he starts a walkie-talkie discussion with Tony, the factory's maintenance manager. Tony views the factory's production calendar in Outlook and determines his team can minimize production downtime by servicing the machine over the weekend. Tony adds a maintenance alert to the production calendar and uses Teams to start a chat with Ahmed, the factory manager, to approve the production calendar adjustment. Using his Shifts app and Teams, Tony updates the shift schedule and Johnny receives a notification indicating he can receive overtime for completing the weekend repair. Using his team's 3D guided procedures app, Vesper, Johnny completes maintenance on the machine over the weekend as scheduled. Using already available modern work solutions, this Frontline team was able to anticipate a potential maintenance issue and reduce production downtime by scheduling repair in advance.